Whether you're in the market for home internet or travel internet, Starlink has some great promotions going on right now. And I wanted to make this video highlighting those to let you know about some of the caveats that go along with those discounts. So let's start first by looking at the current discount on the Starlink Mini. So this will interest those of you that are interested in travel internet. The Starlink Mini is incredibly popular because it's a compact, portable antenna. It's about the size of a laptop and it gives you high-speed internet, 300 plus megabits per second, just about anywhere on Earth. So if we go to the Starlink website and we navigate to the Roam page, you can see we got a nice message here. It says work and play at remote locations, $199 mini kit with activation benefit. So Starlink has done this in the past. They've lowered the price of the equipment, and Starlink Mini is no exception there. We've seen plenty of promotions over the last couple of years, but this one's different. And I wanted to make this video to explain this text right here. It says with activation benefit. That is new text. Never seen that before on the Starlink website. So let's explore a little bit more. If we go ahead and hit the Get Started button, let's see if we have any additional details on the checkout page. So on the checkout page, we have the same message here, $199 with activation benefit. Still nothing explaining what that is. If I go down, I can see I have the choice of equipment between the standard and the Mini. We're gonna focus on the Mini. And I have a choice of service plan, the Roam Unlimited or the Roam 100 gigabyte plan. So both of those options give me the $199 mini kit option, and I don't see anything else that explains the activation benefit on this page. I did find a Help Center article on the Starlink website that talks about this new activation benefit, so let's go into it. So you can see it says Starlink offers an activation benefit to customers who purchase select kits and service plans. Obviously right now that looks like it's targeted toward the Starlink Mini and Roam plans. It says the benefit is contingent on creating a new Starlink account and activating service. It will be automatically applied to your order at checkout or will be emailed to you upon activation. If you receive an activation benefit at checkout or via email and do not start, cancel your service with, wait, that doesn't make any sense. If you receive an activation benefit at checkout or via email and do not start, cancel your, okay, I think it means to say, so it looks like a typo here on this page, but it means to say, if you receive this benefit and cancel your services within 30 days of activation, Starlink may charge your approved payment method for the value of the activation benefit. It goes on to say the activation benefit is currently only available for new Starlink mini kits purchased on Starlink.com and in the United States. So this looks isolated, at least at the moment, to the United States and for brand new mini kits purchased on the Starlink website. And that's why you see the normal MSRP of $249 remaining on third-party retailers like Home Depot, Best Buy, and Amazon. Well, let's back up a minute to this part about canceling within 30 days, because this is the big catch. This is what you have to watch out for. So getting this $50 discount, $249 MSRP minus your $199 discount price is going to be that $50 difference. So they're giving you basically a $50 discount. That's called the activation benefit. And it looks like they're saying that if you go ahead and purchase your Starlink Mini, you get it delivered, activation happens when you first power on the Starlink Mini and connect it to the satellites, or 7 days after your order is delivered, whichever one of those comes first. But after that activation, they're saying you cannot cancel your service plan within 30 days of that activation event. Otherwise, they will go ahead and bill you for that $50 discount that you received upon checkout. And who this affects is the people that are going to want to buy a kit and then not use it or not pay for a service plan for several months. So for example, I saw somebody on Facebook this morning asking about this, and their situation was they wanted to buy a Starlink Mini and use it for camping, but they weren't going to need it for their camping season for a couple of months at least. So they wanted to know, if I buy it for $199, can I just leave it in the box and not use it, not activate service for a few months? And with this new activation benefit discount, that doesn't look to be the case. If you do that, if you order on Starlink.com for $199 and you get your kit and you cancel the service plan because you're not going to need it for a couple months, then you'll have to pay back that $50 discount. It's also very specific and it uses the language cancel your service. So I'm assuming that if you buy the kit on Starlink.com and you get it and you switch your service plan to standby mode instead of canceling, standby mode is just a $5 per month low speed data plan that allows you to have unlimited internet at extremely slow speeds, about 500 kilobits per second. But that's great for being able to reactivate service at any time from anywhere over your Mini's internet connection. But it looks like, according to this page at least, if you go ahead and switch from your full price roam plan into the standby mode plan, you will not be on the hook for that $50 activation benefit. Starlink also has a nice deal on residential service as well. They're running a promotion right now that gives you a monthly discount for the first 6 months of your service. So if we hop onto the Starlink website, I put in just a random address here to be able to show you this discount. And right at the top of the page here, it says starting at $39 per month for the first 6 months. And this promotion lasts until the end of March. So this is just going to be a temporary discount. They're giving you $11 off per month from any of the residential service plans. So in most locations in the United States, you have 3 levels of residential service. You have residential 100 megabits per second, which is unlimited data. It's just speed capped at 100 megabits per second download. You have residential 200 megabits per second, which is same thing, unlimited data, just capped at 200 megabits per second down. And then you have residential max. This is the top plan. It's not capped at all. You get the fastest network speeds that Starlink can provide, also unlimited data. So the top plan, the residential max, is $120 per month. Residential 200 is $80 per month, and residential 100 is $50 per month. So with this discount, it's a flat rated discount across all the plans, $11 off per month. So that brings residential 100 megabits per second down to $39 per month. Residential 200 is going to be $69 per month, and then $109 per month for residential max. That again lasts only for the 6 months, so that's a $66 discount no matter which service plan you choose. Now this deal also has some contingencies. You can't change your service plan, you can't cancel, otherwise you'll lose access to that promotional pricing, and it is for new customers only. And in terms of a percentage, the best deal is definitely on the residential 100 megabits per second plan, because since it is a flat rate of $11 off per month, that means residential 100 is discounted by over 20% versus residential max. If you apply that $11 discount, that's only around 9% off the normal price. So if you're new to Starlink and you've been looking into getting service, now is a great time to get started. Just $39 per month, a starting price for the residential service plans, and that discount lasts for about 6 months. You'll return to the full price plan, but it's still pretty affordable nowadays now that they have these 3 tiers of residential service. I've been seeing more and more people that have a cable internet, especially Spectrum customers that are connected via cable. So they have pretty decent internet at home, but they're just sick and tired of paying the high monthly prices and being jerked around by Spectrum as a company. So I've been seeing more and more people that have cable internet switching over to Starlink. And I think the lower pricing of these entry-level plans, the residential 100 megabits per second and 200 megabits per second plans, the pricing is low enough now to really start to compete with some of those slower terrestrial providers like cable internet. And that's interesting to me because Starlink was never intended to compete with terrestrial internet. But now you're seeing more and more people in the suburbs and even in the cities that they have access to decent internet, but they're just tired of the price hikes and the extra fees and all the different hoops that they have to jump through. So it's kind of interesting to see people switching to Starlink, and I think promotions like this definitely help with that, lowering that barrier of entry. They've already got free equipment, so now you just are on the hook for the $39 per month promotional pricing for the first 6 months. So that's it. That's the video, guys. I just want to let you know about these recent promotions that Starlink is having right now. Gives you an opportunity to save a little bit money if you're new to Starlink and you're looking to sign up. I think now's a great time. If you have any questions about Starlink, about any of these promotions, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you never miss any of these kind of updates. As always, really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.